How to use image search on Temu. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use image search on the Temu app. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a search bar at the top of the app. Right next to that search bar, there's a camera icon. That's what we're going to use for image search. If it's your first time using the image search, the app might ask for permission to access your camera and photos. You'll need to grant permission to continue. Now, if you want to search using a real-time image, you can just use your camera to take a picture of the item. Alternatively, if you already have an image of the product, you can choose one from your photo gallery. For this example, I'm going to take a picture of these speakers I have nearby. The app will then show you a list of similar products based on the image you uploaded. Just scroll through the results and see if you can find the exact item or something close to it. You can try out this feature multiple times to make sure it's working as expected. It's a handy tool that can help you shop more efficiently. This is a really simple feature that can help you quickly find products by searching with pictures instead of words, and it's super useful for finding items or styles that you've seen elsewhere. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.